Okay, so what's up guys? Ano i-istorya na kinano ko i-istorya, right? Ano gisuot basically sa on journal, and it's about self-love, loving yourself, diba? So first, for me, love dili na ma-define. So parang ako lang, love is when you fully accept someone for who they are as a person, diba? Mag-accept ang pinaka-deepest na core nila, and you love them unconditionally despite sa ilang imperfections, sa ilang bad side and good side, and ma-apply na sa imong self, right? If you wanna embark sa journey of loving yourself, then you start to accept who you are as a person, bad sides and good sides, and ang pinga naman mong self, right? So, and if you do that, you start to accept yourself kung kinsa ka as a person, na you are imperfect, and that's normal, right? And you start to improve yourself, because if you love yourself and you want what's best for yourself, like nakadawag mo sa term na kailangan na may accept kung kinsa ka, and nasa mga tao naman na kailangan mo i-improve kung kinsa ka, and ang kanang duha is contradicting accepting yourself or improving yourself. But for me, it's actually like connected, right? Kay if you accept yourself, you're aware about sa mga bad sides, mga inner demons, and you accept it, diba? Aware na ka kung kinsa ka and sa mga imperfections. So if you know kung unsang mga weakness mo as a person, diha na ka maka hunahuna kung unsa ang i-improve, diha na ka maka hunahuna kung unsa ang imong i-improve sa mga self as a person. Alright, and ay mga things na dili na to ma-improve or we cannot change, nasa mga things na we can change or we can improve, diba? Kaya sometimes we need to change, diba? For ourselves and for other people, na yung mga parts sa atong kaugalingon na atong na-adapt sa atong past na a very toxic na mga beliefs and values na to na it's not really good. So ato ang pag-open, right? So when you accept yourself as a person, and that's the time na you want to improve yourself, that's the time na, diba? That's the time na you improve yourself. If you look at your weaknesses, hindi mo i-analyze kung unsay ang ay buhaton, then basically diha na ka mo improve, diba? So that's also applies to people, diba? Sa mga tao, sa mga pinangga nimo, and mana sila na na mga quotes sa Facebook or sa TikTok or sa land social media na you should accept kung kinsa ang imong loved ones, and that's true. You may accept ang if you truly love someone, you accept them for who they are, diba? But they forgot to add something na if you love someone, you also want what's best for them. So it's not only accepting who they are, it's about you want them to become the best version of themselves. Kailangan mo sila tabangan para mo improve ang ilang self, right? Let's say mga family members or yung mga ka-relationship na uyab, right? And kabaw kabaw ka kung kinsa sila, right? You know them, mga ilang bad side and good sides, and na yung mga parts sa ilang kaugalingon na dili nimo mabago, right? And na yung mga parts silang kaugalingon na very toxic, like, or destructive na sa ubang tao, sa lahi nilang relationship o sa ilang self, or it's not healthy, di ba? So you try to help them to become better. So what if they don't wanna change, or they don't wanna change, or they don't wanna improve, and dili sila mo listen nimo kung saan imong hindi sila mo listen nimo, mo listen sa ubang tao, mga feedback nila sa ilang not so good na gibuhat, kung sa imong buhaton, right? Is it gonna be like imo ipatayon? That's the time that you choose between yourself and that person, diba? Example na kay girlfriend or boyfriend, diba, kung ano man, and you know na ay part silang self na very toxic na sa inyong relationship, and unsa man yung buhaton, diba, imo silang try to sila gistoryaan kung unsa may gibuhat na pati nila, and kung dili sila maminaw or dili sila willing to change, diba, even if imo sila gitabangan, the best thing, diba, ito mong pilian na, right? Either you choose yourself, self-love, and you choose that other person. So unsa man imong pilion, and if you love yourself, you choose yourself, right? Because if they don't want to grow with you, they don't want to change, and it's affecting na sa mga peace o sa mga life, then it's time to let go sa kanang mga tao, forgive them for who they are, and wish them the best sa ilang life. Okay, so wala na ako kasabot sa kung unsa akong ibang storya, but I hope nakasabot mo. So self-love is very important, right? Diba, ma-accept ni mga self and maka-embark ka sa journey of self-improvement, and you also can give your best sa ubang tao, sa mga love, diba? Kay kung sa ang mga internal is mga na ang reflection sa mga external. The way you treat yourself is the same as the way mo treat sa ubang tao, most likely, right? If you don't judge yourself, and if you are very not judgy about sa mga self, you're not gonna judge someone, right? Sa ilang imperfections. So if you are not very judgy sa mga imperfections, and you love your imperfections, sa mga things na dili mo ma-change, you're also not gonna judge someone else's imperfection, diba? Kay you know, and I hope you understand na self-love is very important, and I hope na nakasabot mo sa akong ipang storya, because I'm not making any notes. I just wanna say, like, love yourself, right? It's not gonna be easy, it's a journey, but if you wanna do it, it changes your life as a person, it changes your view sa yourself and sa other people, and it also helps you build more healthy na mga boundaries, right? And you can say no and maka-walk out sa relationship na dili mo ganahan, na it's toxic. So yeah, that's all I wanna say. Kapi. That's all I wanna say. Bye guys. Okay, so maybe sa next na mga videos is katagog tips kung how to love yourself, di ba? But here's the thing, lastly na I wanna say, it's not that easy, you know. It's a journey, so don't be so harsh about yourself. It's a process. It's a lifelong process. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. I know I hope nakasabot mo. And yeah, appreciate you guys.